pregnant like him, have the pregnant something for them buy.
But what was she doing a baby shower for?
We don't know what. He got what up views you get. You know, your body depends on
I never hear about this.
yeah, it depends. Oh, it depends on and people like some people like it.
So she got the gender reveal?
In they went to one place and then do it. What about get people did it? And what about woman and them broke all fight.
So then the gender reveal, so was it a boy or a girl?
Me don't know because all the people I get whopper thing, people giving baby pamper talk and same thing. People themselves do the pamper them and something them. Nobody talk no about it. I should not follow up them. I should not follow up them set of people them.
So what am I doing? The real baby for come now? The man get one done.
Everybody can take that new more it. Everybody can take that.
When I say candy, I thought you meant as in candy that sing.
You tell the man, the woman when you attack, and the man when me attack.
The candy, let me know.
Yes. It go and go with some over people. A whole people follow it.
What's that they had? Where they had it?
A peaceful park road.
And now all of people attended?
Don't turn terrible people, the terrible girl them. Don't turn terrible people them. They follow people.
So, drama.
Yeah.
So what them use as a gender reveal? Them have something like pop? What them use as a gender reveal? One of the tea guys?
Them have balloon and kind of sitting.
Because I'm not give no give Derrick even one gift.
This one can ever do.
Me yeah more than that because them not interactive.
Okay.
Like the audience will just sit on a stay for me, so you know what I'm saying? Them for talk, ask questions and interact and make comments. When them sit on this stay for me, say no. But I feel, you know? No shit for government.
Then you know do mix up.
I don't have time for that. But just comment on certain things when we're ready, but I don't like live on people and make people feel like I live on them constantly.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say a lot of things before I comment on, but even so, them now ask me. You get what I'm saying? So if me just come out and I just chat my mouth from one topic to the next, it will just look like my mix, like, you know, like my picture is different, you know, if them ask me in the box. And is that I can say, okay, may I answer what somebody asks me. Then I participate, me now perform. It's a balance.
True.
If them keep them energy, will keep mine, you know? You know, so sometimes you come and you give them the whole of your energy and them just stay there and suck it up. And them not really give you anything back.
It's on my page.
Yeah, I follow. It's a new page.
Yeah.
See, where you plan for your birthday?
We plan to go on the north about money wise a turn up. Be a propagator. Ma.
Nobody now to take nobody seriously again.
Annie and Jaden, I do them some wiki on TikTok now. What are them? Are them around it?
See them, what do them think?
And if you pin them and add them around the TikTok, no hard. No, sir.
You see them for the repost pages.
Them around it. And when you come and beg, them a caution, I like me then class. Go look at work. Go look work. Go look work.
You know, I always wonder why people tell people that on the app. Then that's the purpose of the app is so people can come and ask for support and ask for help and, you know, be gifted, share, you know, and have people appreciate them. Not no wrong with that.
Me ask my man, me I ask. Go look work. I bear that then tell me.
The Jamaicans alone must have done something.
I mean, I say, everybody said, look on Derrick. Derrick a big somebody and enough of them young people upon you, so them now tell them to go look for work.
Mm-hmm.
And most of them want a month to buy car. Look on our public of Brittany.
Who's Brittany?
Brittany. One girl we sick. You know Brittany when she was up on TikTok.
Britannia.
Yeah.
Oh, Brittany. Oh, because you said Brittany.
That's what me call her. That's what me call her.
You mean Brit Prudence?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It was her birthday couple days ago, I think, huh?
And she tell the boy, I say, when she married him.
So they're not gonna get married.
The boy not talk about the marriage. If they never forget money for them, come make money for yourself.
Or maybe that's why he's not talking about it yet, because he knows that the thing is that there's this heavy expectation on a man to be able to pay for a wedding if he's getting married to a woman. So maybe because, you know, him don't have that money, because him know it's gonna cost a lot. So maybe that's why I'm not really saying much to her about it.
Don't look a private wedding then.
You know, social media expect a show. But maybe that's what you should do for real. Is just do something simple. Just do something simple and private for real, and then post pictures after.
You do a private wedding.
Mm-hmm.
And him and him she can go eat. And two look a friend go eat. You don't want nothing more.
Mm-hmm.
So me not have nothing for my birthday, and I make a do go on the restaurant and go buy one food and so not eat.
Because sometimes you're just very happy to live to see the day. You know what I'm saying? Like if you not get food, nothing super specialist neither here nor there.